Hello, we solved this question from SSSCE July 2001 objective question 1 and 2. It reads that the set A equals S is such that S is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 3, and the set B equals S is such that X is equal to 110. Our subset of the universal set, which is equal to the set S is such that S is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 10, where S is an integer, and you have to use the information above to answer the questions 1 and 2. So that is the first one that we have to answer. The question 1, it starts from here and then ends here. So the one says that we have to find B prime, that is the complement of B complement. So let us try to put on the set, and to do that you have to start with a universal set. Before we start, if today is your first time on my students class channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing, click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. So I'm going to write down the universal set, and it says that S is such that their element X is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 10. So what are the set of elements of the universal set? It is greater than or equal to 1 means it will start from 1, and it's less than or equal to 10 means it will end at the number 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we have 10. So let us look at the other set. We are saying that we have the set A and B, and they are all subsets of the universal set U. A and B being subset means that they can be found in the universal set. So that is what we're going to do. So let us write down the set A. The set A says that X is such that X is greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 3. So the set A is going to be from 1 to 3, and of course from 1 to 3 is found in the universal set. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And the set B, let us look at the set B2, and what does the set B also say? The set B also says that it is as simple as that. It says that S is such that X equals 1, 10. So the set B is going to be the set 1, 10. Now we have to find B complement. B complement simply means the set of elements that are not in the set B but they are found in the universal set. So let us try to understand this. B, the set B is 1 and 10. So if we say B prime or B complement, it means that the set of elements that are not in B. So the set of elements that are in B are 1 and 10. So those that are not in B will be the set B complement. So B complement simply means the set of elements that are found in this universal set but they are not found in a given set B. So we can see that in B we find only 1 and 10. So the rest are from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the set of elements that are not found in B. So this is B complement. So we have to check these things to see. Now if you look at the option A, it says that X is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means it will start from 2 and go on like that. And it is less than 10. Less than 10 means it will end at 9. So from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will end here. So when you compare this set to the set that we have here, you can see that the correct option has to be the A, because this gives 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, let's check the B and C. The B says that X is greater than or equal to 1. It means it will start from 1, but if you look at the B complement, there is no 1. So B cannot be the correct answer. If you look at the C2, it says that S is greater than 1. Of course, it is greater than 1, so it will start from 2. But if you look at the last one, it says that it is less than or equal to 10, so that means it will end at 10. But we don't have 10 here, so C is not the correct, the correct option. And if you look at the D, it says that S is greater than 2. That means it will start at 3. But here, B complement starts from 2. So as I said earlier on, the correct option is A. We look at the number 2. It says that find A intersection B. Now when you ask to find A intersection B, let me write it down here. The set A intersection B means that there are a set of elements that are found both in A and B. So we're going to check the set A and the set B. Now that is set A. Set A we have 1, 2, 3. Set B we have 1 and 10. what elements do we see in A and B? Of course, we see just 1 and 1 here. So the correct option is the set that contains the element 1, and of course that is the option D. So that is as simple as that. The set of elements that are found in A and B are the set of elements we call, or we say that they are in A intersection B. All right, so that is how we solve this question. The first one was A, and the second one, the correct option was D.